Most security programs fail because teams start with a messy ad hoc foundation and keep stacking just one more workaround on top until access becomes so tangled that nobody can say, confidently, what their security actually is. The Duty Assignment Matrix, or D.A.M, turns security into a clear, manageable model. Define roles and duties once, see access in a matrix, assign roles to users, and enforce company-level scope, so permissions are scalable, explainable, and repeatable. Role and Duty Builder is where you build security the right way. You start by defining the roles your users will have in Vista. Each role is assigned a base security group number, which D.A.M uses to create the Vista forms, reports, and attachment security groups. Duties are the reusable tasks and building blocks you select to build a role's security profile. This replaces sifting through thousands of records to pick individual components, or defaulting to just give them the module, which is how bad security starts. Another major improvement is the combination of forms, reports, and attachment security into one screen instead of three. No more switching between screens just to see the full security profile. Use the filters to narrow records across all three tabs at once. Then open the Apply to Modal to apply the same security decision to every row in that filtered set. Fast, consistent, and easy to review. On the Duties tab, you toggle which duties apply to the role. And as each duty is turned on or off, the role's security profile updates across all three tabs. When you're ready to deploy, the export modal generates a SQL script that loads the security setup directly into Vista. The security matrix lets you view and compare permissions across roles and duties, so you can quickly spot inconsistencies and fine-tune access to sensitive areas, like a critical form, such as PR employees. You'll see the same Forms, Reports, and Attachments tabs, along with which duties are assigned to each role. And because it uses the same filters and the same Apply to Modal, applying security works just like it does in Role and Duty Builder. Only now you're doing it in a matrix view. Now for the easy part, the User Roles page is where you assign each user to their role. When you assign a role, D.A.M adds that user to the role's Vista security groups across Forms, Reports, and Attachments. So access is consistent everywhere. And when you're ready to deploy, use Export to generate a SQL script that loads the security groups and the assigned users into Vista ERP. Security controls not just which screens users can open, but which company data they can see. On the Company Security page, the Companies tab shows the companies you can secure for each user, whether added manually or synced from Vista. On the Users tab, you assign which companies a user can access, and you get a high-level view of who can see each company. And when you're ready to deploy, use the Export modal to generate a SQL script that loads the data security groups and the users assigned to each one into Vista ERP. Move from "we think it's right" to "we can prove it." With security so clean, you'll say, "D.A.M." Ready to clean up Vista security for good? Let's talk.